What's up friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw in Canva. So if you ever want to draw in Canva, this is super easy to do. You want to ensure that you click on home, and here on the top, you'll have many options. You want to look for whiteboard and click on the new, and it's going to open up a new tab for you where you have access to the whiteboard. And once you're in the whiteboard, you will have tools on the left side. You can click on it and you have those different tools here. Now, the whiteboard allows you to do whatever it is. You can draw, you can add shapes, you can basically add stickers, whatever. So you want to ensure that you click on the option that says drop, and you can now choose the marker or the pencil, whichever one you want, and choose a color. So let's say I select this. I have it selected. So I have that, and now I can now select the color. So let's say I don't want any of these, but I would like, for example, black. I can do that this and just drag it all the way to the left, lower left, and you can see that black is there. And now I will have black selected. So this is how you can have it. Now, once you're ready, you can just go ahead and ensure that you click select your draw, select your pencil. Once you select, it's going to be out. And so now you can draw. So if I want to draw a stick man, I can go ahead and just basically draw right there, as you can see, with the eye, ear, nose, amount, and basically you see it, right? So this is a stick man, right? So you can draw the foot or whatever you want. You can even put, I don't know, something in his hand. You get the idea, right? So, guys, that's how you can easily go ahead and draw a stick man in Canva. Very easy and very simple.